everyone and welcome back to Creative PowerPoint. Today I will show you how you can make letters wiggle like this. And you can use this technique in your slides to give life to your text. Let's see how to do that in PowerPoint. I have this text, Teamwork, that I want to make wiggle. This effect works better with hand-drawn fonts. I've used Ink3 in my case, but any hand-drawn font would do the job. To set up my effect, I've put every letter in its own text box. And I've made a group with the whole sentence. I've also duplicated the group twice. To make it easier to see, I've temporarily chosen different colors for every group. For every group, make sure that the letters are slightly offset compared to the same character in the two other groups. You can nudge the letters using the arrow keys on your keyboard. And you can use the rotation handle to rotate a letter. For more precision, head to the Format pane, open the Size and Properties tab, and set the desired rotation value. Once this is done, you should see all letters slightly offset. For example, you can see that in this letter O, no color is fully hidden by the others. Now you can animate the whole thing. Select all three groups, go to the Animations tab, and in the yellow group, select the Blink animation. Open the animation pane by clicking on the animation pane icon. In the animations ribbon, ensure Start is set to With Previous for all groups. With all the groups selected, set a duration of 0.6 seconds. And make sure the animation is set to repeat until the end of the slide. Then you can set a small delay for the animation to start. For the first group, I'll keep the default value, meaning no delay. For the second group, I'll set the delay to 0.2. And for the third group, I'll set the delay to 0.4. Let's see how the animation works. It seems to work. Let's set all groups to the same color to see the final result. Et voilà. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share this video with your colleagues and friends. And I'll see you next week for more PowerPoint creative ideas.